Hi guys, this is Manu here from Mi Home Experience Store. I hope all of you guys are safe at this point of time. Last 40 days have been very challenging for all of us. We have been working remotely and trying to serve all our Mi fans in the country. Just before the lockdown started, we were about to launch our latest and the best, our flagship phone called as Mi 10. But because of lockdown, we had to postpone it. And we finally launched it last week. So here I am with that incredible Mi 10 device, and I thought I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. Now before we do that, let me explain the philosophies of Mi in Redmi. 10 years ago, when the company started, we had only one brand, Mi, and all our phones were just Mi phones. And over a period of time, we have built many brands. For example, we also have Redmi, which is more price aggressive. And Mi and Redmi have distinctive features. While Redmi tries and bring the best specs at a particular price point, Mi brings to you the latest and the best. The phones and devices which have cutting-edge technology and which are extremely premium. And case in point is Mi 10. All of you guys said, hey, please bring the latest flagship phones to India, and this is Mi 10 for you guys. So let's see what will you get when you buy a Mi 10 phone. So this is how the box of Mi 10 will look like. It is extremely classy and beautiful. Even the design language is different from a Redmi box. So let's open it and see how does this phone look like. When you open it, you of course get a phone, a Mi 10, and you also get a 30-watt charger in the box and a charging cable. So let's talk about my favorite 10 features of Mi 10. The first one has to be its camera. It comes with a whopping 108 megapixel camera. Can you imagine this? 108 million pixels. Almost 1.5 years ago, we launched Redmi Note 7 Pro, and that was one of the first phones in the world to come with a 48 megapixel camera. And then Redmi Note 8 Pro was the first phone in the world to come with a 64 megapixel camera. Do you know which are the different phones with 108 megapixel camera? Yes, the first phone was Mi Mix Alpha, our concept phone, where we showcased a 108 megapixel camera sensor. And then we launched it on Mi Note 10. And since then, Samsung has also launched Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with 108 megapixel camera. And now we have Mi 10. So there are only 4 or 5 phones in the world to come with this incredible 108 megapixel camera sensor. It is really huge, very big, and that allows a lot of light to come in, and you are guaranteed to take extremely beautiful pictures every single time. Not just this, it comes with OIS, and you can do 8K recording on your favorite Mi 10. It also has a lot of other features. For example, it comes with Pro mode and RAW mode, and Pro mode not only on pictures but also on your video. So for all of you guys who are professional photographers and videographers, you can actually use Mi 10 to take really incredible professional pictures. My second favorite feature of Mi 10 is just its design. It's probably one of the most gorgeous devices in the entire world. It comes with a 3D curved display in the front and also a 3D curved back. And that's why it's extremely comfortable to hold. You can look at this phone, probably won't find any other phone in the market which is as gorgeous as this. Extremely beautiful colors. For example, the one that I have is the amazing green one. And it also comes with a Gorilla Glass 5 in the back and in the front. And hence, if you drop this device, you can be assured nothing will happen to your Mi 10. My third favorite feature of Mi 10 is its amazing display. It not only comes with a 3D curved display, it comes with a E3 AMOLED, and which makes it amazingly beautiful and gorgeous. It's probably one of the most vibrant screens that you will find on any smartphone across the world. It also is huge. It is a 6.67-inch display, which is really big, and yet it is extremely comfortable to hold. My fourth favorite feature is its in-display camera on the top right side, which has a 20 megapixel selfie camera. We also have a big battery. It has 4780 mAh battery, which is really big. If you're a normal user like me, who likes to spend the day reading emails, doing text messages and few calls, it can easily last for 2 days. It's almost 5000 mAh. It's probably one of the biggest batteries that you will find on a flagship device. But of course, if you're like Sir Anuj, who likes to play a lot of games, even in that case, it will last for at least a day. So the battery is really big, 4780 mAh. We're also providing you a 30-watt wired and wireless charging. Mi fans, remember I said the Mi brand stands for the latest and the best technology. And once again, we are bringing you the world's fastest wireless charging. Do you know how many phones are there in the world to come with wireless charging? Probably very few, and all of them are very, very expensive. In the box, we are giving you a wired charger, and you can also buy a wireless charger only for rupees 1999. It's extremely convenient to use. You just put your wireless charger over here, you put your Mi 10 and it will start charging. Extremely convenient, again the latest and the best technology. Not only it supports a 30-watt wireless charging, it also supports a 10-watt reverse wireless charging. So any appliance which is Qi certified, you can actually charge it using your Mi 10 device. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which makes it probably one of the fastest phone in the world. And we've really optimized it so that you get the best Antutu score, best gaming experience every single time. And because it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, of course, this is a 5G phone. We're also providing vapor cooling inside the phone, which ensures that your phone never heats up. It always remains cool, even if you're gaming or watching videos for many hours. Now, Mi 10 comes with LPDDR5 RAM, which makes Mi 10 one of the few phones in the world to have this super fast RAM. You also have UFS 3.0 storage, so that it's able to read and write from the storage really fast. It comes with a stereo speaker. There are identical speakers on the bottom and on the top. You can see on the bottom speaker over here and top speaker over here. And that's why when you're watching a video or a movie on your Mi 10, you get almost like a surround sound, and it gives you an amazing experience. And for the first time, we are bringing a phone which is best of both the worlds. It comes with easy access to the Google apps you use the most. What does it mean? It means your Mi 10 comes with MIUI, but also has all the Google apps. You're using Google apps on MIUI and trying to give the best of both the worlds to all our Mi fans. Now, coming to price, we have launched Mi 10 in India at 49,999, just below 50,000 rupees. I read some of the comments where people said, oh my god, this is not true to Xiaomi philosophy. Guys, this is completely not true. It costs a lot of money to build genuine products like this. I personally believe there's no phone in India that can be compared to Mi 10. Because there's only one more phone with 108 megapixel camera sensor, but even that phone does not have Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or does not have a 30-watt wireless charging. So this is the only phone in the country to come with a 3D curved AMOLED with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 108 megapixel camera and a 30-watt wireless charging. In my humble opinion, there's no other phone that you can compare this with. Go and experience this and you will see a night and day difference between Mi 10 and any other flagship in the country. Once you start using it, you'll fall in love and then you cannot go back to any other phone. And that's a promise that I'm making to all of you guys. So that's all guys. I hope all of you guys stay safe, Please stay at home as much as possible and take care of your families. Thank you guys. Namaste.
Xiaomi.